Hello students, welcome to Self-Science classes. Today I am going to solve problem from sequence and series. Now, sequence and series is very important for your upcoming exam. Here is the problem from sequence and series. Here the series is e log alpha plus 2e log alpha square plus 3e log alpha cube plus 4e log alpha to the power 4 in this way till infinity. Now our job is to find out the sum of this series. Now to find out the sum we have to see the pattern how the series is going. Now we can see here first in the first term it is e, second term it is 2e, the third term it is 3e, the fourth term it is like a AP of the first part whose first term is e and common difference is also e. Now the second part it is log alpha, it is log alpha square, it is log alpha cube and it is log alpha to the power 4. It is going like a GP whose first term is log alpha and common difference is log, common ratio is log alpha also. So the total series it is Arithmetico-Geometric progression. Metric progression as first part of the terms are in AP and second term of the part is GP, so it is Arithmetico-Geometric progression. Now in this type of sums, first we can take S as the sum of the series, that is e log alpha plus 2e log alpha square plus 3e log alpha cube. In this way the sum is going. Fine. Then we will multiply log alpha with S and writing just keeping a gap here in the first term. So here log alpha is equal to this is e log alpha, this goes to here. Now 2e log alpha square will be here multiplying with log alpha, so it is 2e log alpha cube. In this way it is here and log alpha will be multiplied 3 log alpha whole to the power 4. In this way this is going till infinity. Now subtracting second part from the first part, we will get that S minus log alpha into S is equal to e log alpha. Here subtracting we will get e log alpha square plus here subtracting we will get e log alpha cube. In this way this is going till infinity. Now you can write it 1 minus log alpha into S. Here e log alpha is taking as common, so it is 1 plus log alpha plus log alpha whole square. This way this is going. Now it is an infinite GP series. We know the formula of infinite sum of infinite GP series is a by 1 minus r, where in my surf where a is the first term and common ratio is r. So you can write it 1 minus log alpha into s equal to e log alpha into 1 by 1 minus log alpha. Now so s equal to e log alpha by 1 minus log alpha whole square. So the sum is e log alpha by 1 minus log alpha whole square. So it is the answer here. Now thank you for watching this video.